In this episode, you will see how a simple equipment change flows through the project team. The architect updates the layout, the structural engineer checks and adjusts the steel design. The MEP engineer reloads the latest model, runs clash check, and triggers a coordination meeting to stay everyone aligned to the project. Welcome to episode 5 of our data center series. We start in ACC Design Collaboration package where the latest package is shared and immediately visible on the project timeline, giving every team clear visibility into what changed and when. Before anyone pulls update into their authorizing environment, change visualization lets us compare versions, quantify the data, and we see what is moved and was modified. The team then consumes the package with the Autodesk bridge. Those updates can flow across the connected project. On the structural side, we open the cloud workshared Revit model from Autodesk docs and make targeted updates to columns and framing. Once we are done with all of the updates required in the model, we can publish the model back to cloud so the downstream team can respond immediately. On the MEP side, we reload the latest link and use the Autodesk Construction Cloud Model Coordination tool to automatically detect and group the clashes across model. We can have a look around the model and visually see what's the clashes. We can measure things over there. Once we see the clashes, we can give a look around the clash metrics to identify hotspots, then drilling into specific model pairs to review clash groups in 3D and decide what needs action. Finally, instead of relying on scattered emails, we formalize the response by creating a coordination session in Autodesk Construction Cloud meetings. We can add all the stakeholders of the project, so issues are closed quickly and traceably. Here we used Autodesk Construction Cloud for notification, publishing timelines, clash review, and coordination, which results in better collaboration and automatic clash detection between the models to eliminate the issues and the build phase, keeping every discipline synced to the latest design.